In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spot 1688 scammers. When you open a product on 1688, start by tapping the seller name to view the shop profile. Legitimate shops usually show registered company details, years in business, a clear location, and a range of products. Scam shops often look bare, with minimal info, no business details, and sometimes a single item. If those basics are missing, treat it as your first red flag. Next, check badges and verification. On 1688, indicators like Cheng Xin Tong, also called Trust Pass, the powerful merchant badge, and deep factory inspection signal different levels of vetting. Scammers rarely hold these. Lack of a badge isn't proof of fraud, but it does call for extra caution. Scroll to sales, ratings, and reviews. Be wary of listings with no purchases, generic copy-paste comments, feedback all in one language, with no buyer context or repetitive praise. Healthier listings show recent orders, clear buyer photos, and balanced detail. Compare prices by searching the same product keyword. If one supplier is dramatically cheaper than the rest, be careful. Reliable sellers usually cluster within a similar range, so prices that seem unreal often signal risk. Read the product description closely. Strong listings include clear specs, materials, sizes, or variations, and authentic photos. Red flags include a single, low detail image, unrelated stock pictures, or missing specs. Scammers often borrow random images to lure buyers. Test seller communication from the product page. Ask for actual product photos, minimum order quantities, shipping options, and whether returns or exchanges are offered. Slow replies, evasive answers, chats that vanish without resolution, or pressure to move the conversation off the platform are bad signs. Good sellers respond clearly and on time. Watch response patterns. Real suppliers provide numbers, specific specs, and are willing to explain or negotiate. Scammers send one-word replies, push you to contact them outside 1688, or drop external payment links. Never pay outside 1688 because you lose platform protection. Be alert to suspicious payment requests. Do not agree to direct bank transfers, invoices sent via messaging apps, or any external payment link. Always use the official 1688 checkout. Cross-check multiple sellers. If only one shop offers the exact item and their profile shows limited verification and sales, it may be fake. Compare price, quality, and ratings across shops, and trust your instincts. If the price is unreal, there's no verifiable history, specs and photos are unclear, or replies feel off, pause, research more, or choose another supplier.